The shutter speeds illustration card shows the slower shutter speeds that can cause blurry images from camera motion and the faster shutter speeds that help stop action, along with an explanation card with additional fundamentals. Our shutter speeds card divides the shutter speeds into the top section from 1 second to 1/30th of a second, which are generally too slow to handhold your camera because at those slow shutter speeds, there's a good possibility of getting camera movement which blurs your images. The second row goes from 1/60th of a second to 1/2000th of a second, and it shows that faster fractions stop faster action. So if you're photographing sports, your pet, any moving subject, and the action is blurred, you may want to try a faster shutter speed. The shutter speeds explanation page is a written explanation of shutter speeds as well as an illustration showing how they work. The shutter speeds explanation page shows that shutter speeds are fractions of a second that measure how long the shutter is open and the image sensor is exposed to light. They explain how faster fractions stop faster action and how higher ISO needs less light so it can help you get a faster shutter speed. It also suggests a minimum of 1/60th of a second or faster to help prevent camera movement, which can cause image blur when hand holding a camera. If your camera body or lens or both have image stabilization, that can help you shoot at slower shutter speeds to help prevent image blur from camera movement. Here you can see an image taken at 1/15th of a second of a man running, and then at 1/250th, and you can see the action is blurred at 1/15th of a second, but it's sharp at 1/250th. This is just one of the cards in our exposure settings cards that you can download to your cell phone, tablet, or computer. You can download it as a PDF from our website, easyphotoclass.com, or as an app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Our Exposure Quick Reference Card visually illustrates the shutter speeds that stop action, the lens openings that blur or sharpen the background, and the ISO settings that help take photos in low light. We also have an illustration card and explanation card for each of the 3 exposure settings. The shutter speeds illustration card shows the slower shutter speeds that can cause blurry images from camera motion and the faster shutter speeds that help stop action, as well as an explanation card with additional fundamentals. The lens opening illustration card shows the larger lens openings that help blur the background and the smaller lens openings that help sharpen it, along with an explanation card to help you understand them. The ISO settings illustration card shows how lower ISO needs more light and higher ISO needs less light, which helps you take photos in low light, as well as an explanation card with more helpful information. You can get the Exposure Quick Reference Cards app on the Google Play Store or Apple App Store for your cell phone or tablet. Links for the app are below this video and in the downloads area of our website as well. If you scroll down our website's download page, you'll find the link to the app. You can also download the Exposure Quick Reference Cards as a PDF in the Downloads area of our website, easyphotoclass.com. Simply click on Downloads in the website menu and click on the Exposure Settings Cards image. The PDF download also includes our Top 10 Digital Camera Settings worksheet, which helps you learn where the different settings are located on your digital camera and which buttons and dials you must use to adjust them. In addition to the worksheet, the PDF download also has a page showing you how to reset your digital camera to the original factory settings in case you mess them up while learning about them. While you're in the downloads area at our website easyphotoclass.com, you can also download our How to Buy Digital Cameras and Lenses videos and worksheets and our Call Creative Choices PDF as well. After downloading the PDF, you can usually find it in your computer's Downloads folder. When you open it, you can view the Exposure Quick Reference Cards PDF on your computer and print out the pages on your printer to study it and carry it with you in your camera bag. It does have multiple pages that you can view as you scroll down. You can also download and view the PDF pages on your cell phone or tablet as well. To view the PDF pages on an Android cell phone or tablet, you'll need to click on Apps, Tools, My Files, Downloads, and click on Documents to find the PDF and click on it to open it. Once you find the PDF, you can actually move it out of the folder and onto one of your pages where you have your other app. With iPhones, you can find the PDF by searching for PDFs in the Finder or the Files folder. Holding your cell phone or tablet sideways will give you a larger image, and if you want to make it even larger, you can do the thing where you spread your thumb and index finger on the screen to make it larger as well. If you'd like to share your photographs online and chat with other photographers, you can join our Facebook group. The link to our Facebook group is on our downloads page at easyphotoclass.com, as well as in the information below this video. If you'd like to go deeper and learn more about your digital camera's exposure settings, you may want to take a look at our Exposure Made Easy workshop at easyphotoclass.com by clicking on Workshops in the website menu. Our exposure workshop goes more in depth to help you learn how to set your exposure settings in different situations, light metering, and a whole lot more to help you get the results you want and have more confidence when using your digital camera. The Exposure Made Easy workshop is a great gift if you know someone who would like to learn how to adjust their digital camera's exposure settings to help them stop action, blur backgrounds, and take photos in low light. When you buy the gift version of a workshop, we send you an email with the download link in it that you can forward to the person you're giving it to on their birthday, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Christmas, whatever event, or just the fact you want to be nice and send them the workshop. They simply click the link in the email to download the workshop. I hope these exposure cards will help you understand how the shutter speeds, lens openings, and ISO settings work to help you stop action, blur backgrounds, and take photos in low light. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button, click share to share it with your family and friends, and click subscribe to see more great videos like it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay creative, and I'll talk with you soon.